Hey guys, got a Ring Floodlight Cam wired Pro here. We're going to go ahead and replace that light. Just going to show you what we're going to do is basically remove that center plug up there. We're going to kill the power first so that way we don't get shocked. And then take that one out, put this one in. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so there's our floodlight. We're going to go ahead and strip these guys on down. We got our screwdriver, which this is a nice screwdriver because it is dual-ended. We got a flathead and then a Phillips. We're going to be using the Phillips, so pop that on in. We have all our hardware here. This is our mounting bracket. Again, we have another sticker and our QR. Here we go. Old one's removed, new brackets in. Alrighty. Back plates in. Strip. 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 Twisty, twisty, twisty. And then we'll be disconnected to power, neutral and ground. Got our power, got our neutral, got our ground. So it's got this little hook. We can rest it on here. Here we go. Alright, connections are good. Lights on. There we go. Let's attach our security screws that go into here. Alrighty, in G, there's our security screws. I'll lock that on. To attach, we'll just move that dual-sided Phillips and flathead bit. Go ahead and put it in on this guy, and we'll go ahead and tighten it on in. If you happen to throw away your quick start guide, don't worry. There's a QR on the back. There we are. Time to get it programmed. Scan and follow the prompts.